is pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for the 2006 to 2011 Audi A6 C6 chassis. Most air suspension problems are due to a leaking air spring. Arnott offers brand new replacement air springs that are built with name brand air bladders and are not only engineered to last longer, but are often easier to install. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott-designed rear air spring A2960. Air spring removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Air spring removal. Locate and disconnect the air line from behind the air spring by unscrewing the airline fitting. Loosen and remove the lower sway bar end link nut and bolt. Loosen and remove the lower shock mounting bolt. Disconnect the wheel speed sensor electrical connector. Loosen and remove the retaining screw from the bottom of the air spring. Use a pry bar to flex the suspension to allow removal of the air spring. Remove the air spring from the vehicle. Removal complete. Air spring installation. Install step 1. Installing the air spring. Install the air spring into the vehicle. Use a pry bar to flex the suspension to allow for installation of the air spring. Reinstall the retaining screw into the bottom of the air spring. Reconnect the wheel speed sensor electrical connector. Reinstall the lower shock mounting bolt. Reinstall the lower sway bar end link nut and bolt. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Connect the airline behind the air spring. Install step 2. Wheel installation. Install the rear wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this installation, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.